Hello everyone, welcome to English Practice Every Day, the Best Way series. Today we're talking about something really fun, English conversations with your friends.
Hi, Kevin. Oh, it's a beautiful day, isn't it? I just had a super refreshing glass of water. How's your energy today? Ready to chat about friends?
My energy is great, Jane, and yes, absolutely ready to talk about friends. It's such a natural way to practice English, much better than just studying from a book, right?
Totally. We want to help all of you out there feel more comfortable speaking English with your friends. It doesn't have to be perfect, just fun.
Exactly. So, our first tip for English conversations between friends is: start simple. Don't try to talk about complicated things. Begin with easy, everyday topics.
Yes, like, how was your day? Or, what did you eat for lunch? Very easy questions to start a chat. I can ask you, Kevin, what did you have for breakfast today?
Oh, that's easy. I had some toast and coffee. Simple. What about you, Jane? What was your breakfast?
I had fruit and yogurt. See? We just had a mini conversation. No stress, right? That's the idea.
Perfect. Our second tip is: listen carefully and then reply. Even a short reply is good. You don't need a long, perfect sentence.
Right. If your friend says, I went to the park yesterday, you can say, oh, really? Or, that sounds nice. It shows you are listening and interested.
And the third tip to keep the conversation going: ask questions back. If your friend tells you something, ask them more about it. For example, which park did you go to?
It's like playing a friendly game of catch. You throw the ball, your friend throws it back. Don't just hold the ball, keep it moving,
I love that analogy. So, to recap our 3 easy tips for English conversations with friends: 1. Start with simple topics. 2. Listen and reply, even short replies are good. And 3. Ask questions back to keep the flow going.
Yes. And remember, practice every day, even for just 5 minutes. Don't be afraid to make mistakes. Your friends are there to help you, not judge you.
That's so true. So, for all of you listening, what do you like to talk about with your friends in English? Tell us in the comments below.
If you found these tips helpful, please like this video, subscribe to our English Practice Everyday channel, and share it with your friends.
Thanks for joining us today on English Practice Every Day, the best way. We'll see you next time for more simple English practice.
Bye-bye, everyone. Keep practicing and have fun.